All right, my people, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be comparing drop shipping versus ordering in bulk or having inventory, the pros and cons to each on Amazon and on eBay. There's a lot of useful information in this video. We're gonna go through the whole logistics system from pricing, shipping, packaging, and just being able to compete with other sellers on these platforms and be able to profit. So if you enjoy this video, go ahead and slap the like button, and I hope you find the video useful. All right, so now that we're at the computer, the first breakdown that we're gonna do is for the iPhone case. We're gonna assume that we're doing this on eBay, and because of that, that will help us understand the platform and pricing and how we'll be drop shipping and comparing it to how you could use it versus bulk ordering or using inventory or having inventory. So first, let's understand pricing, right? First, looking at the pricing, you can scroll down and just kind of get a gauge of what the average pricing is for a clear iPhone case. So you can scroll down and kind of get the idea for what the pricing will be for a clear iPhone case. I'll zoom in a little more. And now that you can see it, we'll just estimate that the average pricing is going to be around $5.99. Now, because of that, that'll give you a estimate that is price competitive. It may not be the lowest price, it may not be the highest, but given where you are and what you're trying to achieve, this may be competitive pricing, right? Now, when you take that in and you look at where can we source this product? Now on AliExpress, first thing first you see is this iPhone case that's very similar for $1.78. Now, one thing to remember is that AliExpress does not have e-packet shipping anymore, so it makes the shipping times longer than what e-packet already was. So free shipping is February 13th. At the time of me recording this video, it is January 4th. That is your lowest option for free shipping. Your highest is February 2nd for $3.68. With that being said, if you've ever sold on eBay, realistically, if you want to be competitive, shipping that costs or shipping times that are longer than a week and a half are just unrealistic and not competitive. You need to have competitive shipping times if you want to be a competitive seller on eBay. So first and foremost, the shipping times, it is free, but the shipping time is way too long. The packing cost will be free, but there's an 11% eBay fee that you'll have to pay, which will be $1 given the $6 price point that we're setting for the iPhone case. Now, with all that being said, you will price competitive, but let's say we click on this one that sold 4,000 units. They are offering shipping anywhere from January 8th to January 11th, which if we look at our calendar on the bottom, that is within the next week, before the end of the week possibly, or depending on how quickly they ship it out. So with that being said, drop shipping, if you look at all our costs, we pay $1.78 for the product. We'd be selling it for We'd be selling it for $5.99, $6. Our fees would total up to $1 for eBay plus the product shipping, plus paying for the product, which would be $1.78, and that will leave us with a profit of $3.21. Now, if you compare that to bulk ordering, as you can already see, there are a lot more fees that go along with it because you are responsible for more of the process. Now, don't be discouraged. I'm going to show you something and just wait till the end of the video and it'll all make sense. Now, when you bulk order, you're going to purchase from Alibaba because you have to purchase more orders for a cheaper price. If I bought 100 units, that would cost me 34 cents. Now, it's not 34 cents because you're going to pay $67 in shipping, totaling you up to $101. With 100 units, that brings you up to $1.01 per unit. So when you bring that back to our product, you pay less for the product itself. If you did the 32 cent, you're not calculating all your costs. The shipping unit, this is something I want to talk about with eBay. I'm currently working on something. I actually bought that exact case that I just showed, and I plan on testing something with eBay and being able to ship smaller packets. I'm gonna do a video on that when the product comes in, and hopefully, and when I get sales, because I know my product will be priced really competitive and still making decent profit margins. So I'll get back with you on that. But in the meantime, USPS shipping is $3.49. The packing cost to get slips, I bought them on Amazon. I did the calculation. It's gonna cost you around 16 cents plus your $1 fee on eBay because you chose to price at $6. So with all that, your final profit will be 33 cents for ordering in bulk or holding inventory. And this is all just a rough estimate. This is not an exact cost layout. This can change and vary depending on how you choose to price your product, given your eBay ratings and different metrics that can control and determine how your products sell. The first thing that we looked at was this iPhone case breakdown. Next, I want to do a massage gun. These were hot for drop shipping, and I understand why. Now, looking at the price, just quickly going through it so I can understand roughly around the estimate, we can say that it's anywhere from $30 to $70-ish for the massage guns, right? Pricing competitive, I see a lot of 30. So let's say we price at $39.99, right? Now, on AliExpress, I found one for $27.53 for 6 heads, or 8 heads, excuse me, for different tips on the massage gun, and that costs $27.53. Shipping again will be free. Packing costs will be free because it's taken care of by your supplier. We're gonna assume, I didn't find the exact eBay fees for a massage gun, but we're gonna assume it's 12%, which is like the average, plus the 30 cents for the extra fee. Again, your shipping times is gonna be roughly 1 month, which is entirely too long for eBay. You can get away with that if you choose to use Shopify, but on eBay that is not realistic. So when you look at your final profits, you are at $7.36. But again, this probably will not work on eBay because you are competing against people who have faster shipping times, arguably better pricing, and you don't want to get caught in a situation where you have to refund someone after you already sent the order out and it's in transit. It's a lot of hassle. I've dealt with it. It's just something that you want to avoid if you can. It happens as part of the process, but when it piles up and it happens so often that that's part of your business, that's when you want to pull back and re-strategize. Now, when you look at bulk ordering for the massage gun, we're looking here $17 to $21 for ordering. You're gonna take the minimum order realistically, unless you have the money to buy a lot. So you're gonna pay $21 for 50 pieces. That's your minimum order. Now, with that, you have to have $1,000 up front. So for a lot of people, that's already off the table. And the same thing for the iPhone case that I didn't mention. To do that $1.01 purchase, you need $101 up front to buy the product. Now, when looking at the massage gun, you buy 50 pieces for $21. Your shipping, you would take care of now. So we're gonna assume it's $10. It's probably gonna be a little more expensive, so I'm being modest and nice about it. Packing cost, it's gonna come packaged already, it's gonna come packaged already in a box, but realistically you probably won't want to use that box. You may want to cover it up with like a poly bag or something like that, something really cheap. So I put 10 cents just so that you can build a business that sells and brands really well. So we're gonna say 10 cents for the poly bags. eBay fees, again at 12%, that's gonna put you at $5.10, listing at $39.99, but your shipping times are at $3. Your shipping times are from 3 to 7 days because you're using a United States method of shipping, probably UPS, because they have better and efficient shipping for items that weigh over 2 to 3 pounds. So that puts you at $3.79. So in order to make the price of drop shipping, you would probably need to sell anywhere from 2 to 3 items, which is more realistic given that you are shipping in 3 to 7 days. You'll get more orders, you'll get more reviews, you'll list higher in the search for eBay. But then again, you need $1,000 up front to purchase this product. And for most people, that is not realistic if you're looking at drop shipping, but for some it may be. Now, the point I wanted to make earlier in the video that's really important that you need to remember is this. This is just for eBay selling. There are other platforms that you can use for the bulk ordering that work and have higher order values. For instance, and this is really amazing, this is why I want to share this. For the same 2 products, I just brought them here. For the clear iPhone case, on eBay, you are competing for price. You're gonna pay anywhere from you're gonna list anywhere from $4 to $7 competitively, and then you would make a sale. Look at the pricing, the average pricing for Amazon: $14, $19, $20, $19, $15. There's not any, maybe here, $8. That's the lowest one. That's typically like on the high end for eBay being $8. You private label, you place these products in the Amazon facility warehouse, still doing testing with 100 orders minimum maybe, and then you place them on eBay. You price competitively. Also tie in the fact that Amazon takes their fees and they may be a little higher, which is probably why they're higher priced. Not entirely sure, but this is another method. There are different platforms that you can sell on that can allow you to make more money, generate more revenue, and do more sales. So don't just focus on eBay. There are other options if you want to buy in bulk. And same thing for the massage gun. Again, on eBay, roughly you were looking at $30 to $70. On Amazon, on the other hand, $140, $50, $100, $43, $150, and $160. And a lot of these have a lot of orders. The order price point is higher because Amazon is more trusted. I want to believe also because they probably take higher fees, but also because you're private labeling and the process, and you're creating a brand, and you can choose your pricing. You can choose your pricing and how you choose to sell your product a little different versus if you're drop shipping in a more competitive market such as eBay. So take these tips. I hope that they were useful. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it was like a breakdown so you can understand how bulk ordering and private labeling possibly is a method or a choice for some people versus drop shipping products as a whole. If the video was informative and you enjoyed it, slap the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, slap the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.